Chainsaw Man Reze announces worldwide release dates in 20-plus new countries. The long-awaited movie, Chainsaw Man, the movie, Reze, is making its way to theaters across more than 80 countries in 2025. This isn't just a continuation, it's a full-scale rollout that reflects how far the series has come. Following the explosive success of Season 1, this movie picks up right where the anime left off, adapting the fan-favorite Reze arc, also known as the Bomb Girl arc from manga chapters 40 to 52. Global release dates confirmed, so far. When the movie was first announced, fans expected a limited release. Instead, it's becoming one of the most widely distributed anime films ever. Previously, the US release date was confirmed to be October 29, 2025, and now more countries have been added to the list. Here's what's confirmed: Japan, September 19, 2025. Hong Kong, September 24, 2025. Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, September 25, 2025. India, Indonesia, Philippines, South Korea, Taiwan, Vietnam, September 26, 2025. France, October 22, 2025. US, UK, Germany, Sweden, Greece, Finland, Iceland, Belgium, Nigeria, Bulgaria, October 29, 2025. Australia, New Zealand, Mexico, Brazil, Argentina, Colombia, Chile, Peru, Ecuador, South Africa, Spain, Portugal, Israel, Denmark, Netherlands, Croatia, Hungary, Austria, Switzerland, Slovenia, Serbia, Uruguay, Venezuela, Latvia, Estonia, Central America, Middle East, October 30, 2025. With 20-plus more countries added recently and more expected to follow, the full list is pushing toward 80 countries. Some regional dates haven't been finalized yet, but more updates are on the way through official sources.